Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO. This video will help you configure and restrict join request options in VIDIZMO. VIDIZMO allows you to approve or restrict user join requests on the portal depending on your organization's needs. Only administrators and managers have the right to access join request options. To enable user join requests, click on the navigation bar on your portal homepage and select Control Panel. From Security Settings, select Security Policy. On the Custom tab, mark Allow Join Requests and select the type of auto-approval request in order to allow or reject join requests. The option No One means that the join requests can only be approved by the administrators or managers and cannot be auto-approved. On the other hand, the option of All Request means that all join requests will be approved automatically without needing administrator or manager approval. Click Update to save settings. To check updated settings, sign in again using portal URL from another browser and then a link to join channel will be displayed. You can also restrict join request by unchecking Allow Join Requests from Custom tab of Security Policy. Click Update to restrict users from sending a join request to the portal. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.